Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send money from Monzo account. So making a transaction on your Monzo account is actually pretty easy. So you can send or transfer to anyone that is in the UK that has a bank account. Now, first thing that you'll have to do here is you'll have to know the information about that specific person or about that company. So with that information, they'll have to have the name of the person itself as well as the name of the company itself. Now, once you've got that information, the next information that you'll need is their account number and their sort code. So those two informations is going to be really helpful when you're making this transaction. Now, to transfer, you only need to do the following. So you'd have to go to the application itself and you want to look for the payments icon in the menu bar. Now, once you click on the payments, you need to look for the pay button and click on it. Once there, you just need to click on pay by bank transfer and you just need to follow the instructions. So I do have to give you some notes about this one. So transactions can take about 4 hours. So you might want to wait for the transaction to complete or check over in your transactions and see if that actually completes. Also, little tip, if you want to make international transfer, you will have to use Wise integration for this one, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.